Hey tartlets, it's Jen, and today we're going to do a fun hair tutorial requested by you guys. I did a nice little braided crown thing in one of my previous videos, and you guys all requested that I do a video on it, so that's what we're doing today. To start, we're going to take a comb and just part our hair right down the center. I don't have a comb with me, so I'm actually using one of our old unicorn brushes because it's nice and pointy and it's perfect for this. Now we're going to take our hair and pull it back into two low ponytails. But before we do that, I'm going to take my comb and I'm just going to kind of break apart some soft front pieces to give it a more like disheveled, more natural, messy look while still looking pretty. Now we're going to start with this side first. We're going to break the hair up into 3 sections and we're going to start braiding. Taking the end of that braid, we're going to bring it right across the top of our head. So you're going to pull it really tight right against your head and we're going to pin it right here. Just grab a couple bobby pins and secure that tail end of the braid. I like to crisscross the bobby pins right at the end so it kind of locks it in so it won't slip out. Now we're going to move up to the braid and we're just going to pop in a couple more bobby pins to secure it all throughout the head. A couple in here. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any red tone bobby pins, so I'm using like more of like a mix of like black, dark brown, and that way you can just kind of hide them a little bit better. Alright, now we're going to move on to the second braid. This kind of looks a little messy, but don't worry because this braid is going to cover that. Okay, now we're going to take this braid, be sure to cover the end of that side, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take the tail of this and tuck it under this braid and then bobby pin it and secure it. You can see that end just like hidden there perfectly. Now I got to do something with these front pieces because they look a little disheveled, so I'm taking my 2-inch barrel curling iron and I'm just going to take the pieces, split them up into 2 sections, and I'm going to wrap the front around it just like this and hold for about 10 seconds. And let go. And we have like this nice, beautiful, natural looking wave. Now we're going to do that same thing with the rest of the pieces. And that's it. Now we're going to take this one step further and we're going to add a little bit of glitter. I'm going to be using our brand new Mermaid Glitter Gel. This is great for festival season. It's a mess-free glitter. You can wear it in your hair, on your face, on your body, in your brows, pretty much anywhere, and it looks incredible. So I just picked up a little bit on my finger and I'm just going to weave it through parts of the braid and bring it right into my part. These braid crowns is they're great for work, they're great for events, and you can jazz them up for a festival with a little bit of this glitter. Add a little bit to my cheekbones, why not? And there you have it, tartlets, a fun glittery braid crown. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick hair tutorial, and if you want to see more hair tutorials, let me know in the comment section below which ones you'd like to see me do. Alright tartlets, until next time, mwah, take care.